We are trying Volcano Chicken Noodle today.
Dinner time.
Stop that. Here are the noodles.
Dinner time.
Stop that. Let's have a taste.
Dinner time.
Okay, that is hot. Not terrible though. Definitely opens up sinuses. It is not okay. Wait, it's not bad.
Dinner time.
Stop it. It's not bad. Almost. I can't breathe. Almost done with it. I think that there's a curry that we have, like plain curry, even though this is also like curry. There's a plain curry that we have that's spicier than this, I think. Possibly, maybe. Yeah, don't breathe the wrong way with this, as I've done about twice now. It'll be the last thing you do.
It'll be your last dinner time.
Stop. Whatever. But yeah, not bad. 10 out of 10 would do again, which is great because we've got like 5 more packs.
It's great for congestion.
Okay, wait.